Have you ever wondered why we suddenly sneeze out of nowhere? It's not just random. It's a wild fight inside. Inside my nose, tiny invaders, dust, pollen, try to break through my defenses. My body senses danger, sending a shock signal to my brain. Alert, time to ACT. With explosive power, I force air out at over 100 miles per hour, a fierce, unstoppable sneeze. It's my body's dramatic way of kicking out invaders, protecting me from harm. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's a powerful battle cry from your own body.